morning, guys. Welcome to Quinta's classroom.
Mommy, I could just press help.
Someone is trying to log on to do her distance learning in Quinta's classroom. Yay!
Don't mind the hair. Okay. It was good, not
Just
something.
shake it out. Shake it hard. No, you need water.
Yeah, I need a lot of water. My hair gets dry, and guess what, guys? You see this? You see this? You see this? It's been loading for like 30 minutes.
You're exaggerating.
30 minutes.
So today is officially Sasha's first day back at school, but she's not at school. She's going to be doing distance learning because of the, you know what, coronavirus. And this is my day home, which is good, so we can figure this whole thing out because I work a lot this week and I will not be able to do it with her during the day. It would just be at night when I get home. So hopefully it's not too difficult, but I think because of all the traffic on there right now, it doesn't want to load. So we might have to wait until tonight. Hopefully not. We're going to get a few things
We need to get a few things done.
And Sasha need to get that hair situated.
Says the one over there with the... No, says the one over there.
Don't hate on my little dinosaur tail.
Says the one over there. What is that?
Don't hate on my tail. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, April 3rd. I finished work this week and it's time for me to start vlogging again. I'm trying to vlog a lot more. Woke up this morning, got a couple things to do, but the first thing I have to do is create a gender reveal box for my friend. We're going to be doing a virtual gender reveal. So I have this box here that I have to put together. Well, I have wrapping paper. I'm gonna flip it inside out and then cover the box and put like a question mark on it. And I bought the balloons last night. So this is going to be our virtual gender reveal. I have to drop it off later. I think it's at like 6 o'clock that she's gonna show everyone online, which is interesting because we're still social distancing and I hope you guys are too. Sasha's in here doing her online distance learning. There she goes. Woo. Please excuse the mess in this room, but we're gonna get it together one day. Anyways, this is my filming room. You guys should know that if you watch my previous videos. Up behind Sasha, those are all the clothes that I got from Fashion Nova that I need to do a try on haul for. So maybe next week. I don't know, y'all. It's kind of hard to get everything together, but I'm hoping by next week I'll be able to try those clothes on and post that video. Anyways, back to the gender reveal box.
Hey guys, so we're about to hear what the gender is of the baby.
Yes, we are on a Zoom chat And we are going to be finding out the gender from the box that I made earlier. What are you, team what?
Boy.
I'm team boy too. So let's see what it is, y'all.
It's a girl.
We just found out the gender and it is a boy like we thought. Yay! Alright y'all, so we're back in the kitchen and we've got some overripe bananas, and whenever I have overripe bananas I like to make with the Chiquita banana bread. So we need the bananas, eggs, water, and a bowl, and then I'll get the pan that it's gonna bake in. This is the most I've ever made at one time, but can't let these bananas go to waste. So we're gonna see how well this turns out with all of these bananas. Whenever the bananas are really ripe like this, they're a lot sweeter and a lot easier to mash. I'm just gonna use this fork. The directions tell me to mash it for 1 to 2 minutes or until everything is wet. So I like to mash it first and then add the water and then the eggs. Okay, so while we're waiting for the banana bread to finish baking, we are going to make smoothies. Please don't come for my banana, but we got another extra super duper ripe banana, pineapple, and papaya. So I never put these together. I'm new to this smoothie game. Yeah. But hey, Penny.
This is Minnie. And this is Penny. The reason why it's blue is because we just watched the gender reveal today, my mom's friend, and so we turned it blue. And we were right, it was a boy.
So we're gonna take these ingredients with frozen yogurt. This might be a little bit sweet though. I don't know how it's gonna taste with everything together, but we'll see.
I never have.
Take two. I thought I was recording before, but I wasn't. My review on the smoothie is that it's really good, but it's really thick. That alarm is saying that we need to check the banana bread because it should be ready by now. I would love to be on the beach drinking this tropical smoothie.
Okay guys, quick side note, look. You can't say that doesn't look good. Like, that looks really good, especially like that. That can literally be, you can literally be on the beach drinking that delicioso. Anyways, see you in the next clip.
The banana bread is all done. That's what we got. It looks really good. They might fall in because last time they fell in, but it was still really good. They're nice and brown. And we are going to enjoy this. Alright, so we're watching American Idol now. Catching up on it. And gonna finish my smoothie. Someone's being a little creep. And get a slice of banana bread once it cools down.
No offense, guys, but I don't really like banana bread. I'm just gonna try it.
She never likes anything. Picky eater. Any other moms out there dealing with picky eaters?
Comment down below.
Please comment down below. It's a struggle.